The Executive Secretary, Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Titilola Viva Adeni, has called on Baales to support the state government in the prevention, early intervention and support for survivors of gender-based violence. Kemi Folademo has more.
The Lagos State government is deepening its engagement with traditional leaders across its 57 local government and local council development areas in the ongoing fight against sexual and gender-based violence. This time it is targeting the Baales, who are not just seen as custodians of culture, but who also occupy a uniquely influential position by being the usual first point of contact for anyone seeking help, redress or counsel when violence occurs in their communities. The conveners say this is a collaborative step towards creating safer communities for women, children, and indeed every resident against abuse, violence, and exploitation.
We trust that they will take this message back to their communities. And of course, this is not going to be our last engagement with them. From this, we'll be visiting each and every one of them's communities so that we can also have a wider, we are not going to leave the assignments to them alone. We're also going to be joining them in that process.
Government, will need to look at that, critically to make sure that there is some kind of, coordination between Baales, who are responsible for a particular territory, and the CDA chairman that are responsible for, or CDM association that are responsible for communities. There must be like a connection so that people, you can't have multiple people taking authority on the different, issues. There should be coordination.
Experts say this menace also affects men and boys, posing a significant threat to safety, health, human dignity, social development and economic progress.
The government has to be carrying the Baales along in all their policies. So it's a very good idea. The phone number of the agencies is not widely spread enough, so that if there are any cases of shots reported to the Baale can easily call them to attend to it.
If you are being given any sweet or any gift or fruit, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your parent before you take it, or tell that person, let me go and tell my mommy first. So we need to advise our children at home, give them a lot of orientation in order for them not to fall victim.
It is believed that the support of all stakeholders will help shift mindsets, challenge harmful traditional norms, and foster a culture of zero tolerance for violence. Kemi Folademo, TVC News.